Greetings everyone, happy to see you all here. In the previous video, we covered math in programming as well as order of operations. Today we are going to talk about something new and exciting, decision making and if statements. So let's jump straight into things. Now, in our day-to-day lives, we have to make decisions depending on different things. For example, let's say that you want to go to work, but you don't know if you should take your bike or your car. What you do is check the weather, and you see that it is going to rain. So instead of going in your bike, you decide to take your car and not get wet. This is how basic if statements work. We are going to work in this exercise together. In this case, we want to know if the person, based on their age, is considered an adult or not. If the person is younger than 18, we want the program to give us the text, not an adult. But if the person is 18 or older, we want the program to say adult. Do you want to write this in Python? Well, let's do it. First, we need the header. We write if, followed by a condition, and the colon. Then we write the body of the if statement. If the condition is true, the code will run the body of the if statement and we will get the text not an adult. But what happens if the condition is false? In this case, we would like to add the else statement that will run by default. Here we write the header, starting with an else and ending with a colon. And then we write the body. In this case, the body will show adult as a result. Now let's see how this works with Java, shall we? We start with the header that includes the if statement with the condition in case in parentheses. Then in the next line, we write the body so it prints not an adult. Just as with Python, if this condition is not true, then we continue with the else statement as follows. This way, just as with Python, the program will print adult if the age is greater than 18. Let's see the same example with C++. As you can tell, this is very similar to Python and Java. So note that learning one programming language will make learning other languages much easier. And last but not least, the next conditional statement is the else if statement. This statement serves as an alternative for the previous condition. It lies between an if statement and before the else statement. Its header consists of the word elif in Python, but note that in Java and C++ you have else if instead. Then after that we have the condition followed by the colon, and underneath we have the body. You may have multiple else if statements chained together in what is sometimes referred to as a ladder, as each statement will be checked one after the other until one condition is true or until the else statement is reached. It has been a pleasure to bring another wonderful lesson for all of you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, and remember that you can leave comments on topics that you would like me to cover in a future video. I hope to see you all next time. Have a wonderful day.